Dr. Ed
Beloved
Wilmy Health
everywhere, we
Talking.
want to send our special greetings to everybody everywhere, especially those of our friends and family members and those who have been following us by watching these videos. We thank God for how far He has brought us. We know by His special grace, all of us are well wherever we are. The last time that we came your way with this video, it was about cholesterol. We've explained the types of cholesterol that we have, and then we have also talked about the high density lipoprotein as one of the cholesterol. And today we want to talk about the low density lipoprotein, which is the bad cholesterol. That is the nickname, bad cholesterol. In fact, the bad cholesterol is something that we don't need in our body at all. The source of this bad cholesterol is from animal-based foods. Anything animal can generate the bad cholesterol. Anything animal can bring into our body system this bad cholesterol. When you eat egg, you are loading cholesterol. When you take milk, you are building cholesterol in the system. When you eat meat, you are building cholesterol in the system. So we want to, at this point in time, advise and encourage and motivate our viewers that we should reduce the amount of milk, the amount of eggs, the amount of meat that we ingest in our body system. When the bad cholesterol enters our body, it does a lot of harms to us. A lot of harms to us. One can be the plaquing and the choking of the arteries. Arteries is one of the system of the nervous system, one part of the nervous system, the arteries. It is within the arteries that blood flows, the blood that we use the hemoglobin, the blood that contains the amino acids, the fatty acids, the glucose, and that of the oxygen that we get from the lungs up to the heart for us to be distributed to all parts of the human body. This blood, when it is flowing, it passes through the arteries, and when the cholesterol is too much in our system, in our body, it chokes the arteries, so it makes the flow of blood become limited. It doesn't have free flow, and it becomes a problem to the heart. So heart attack can be gotten from this, and many heart attacks that people are suffering from are as a result of the choking of the arteries. Another bad effect that we have from the cholesterol is this arteriosclerosis. It is still about the arteries, where the arteries are being blocked. It is the holes of the arteries are blocked by the cholesterol to enable the blood to flow freely, and because of that, it makes the heart work harder. It makes the heart work harder, so that always there's a pressure on the heart. This same bad cholesterol, when it is in our body, it can bring hypertension. This bad cholesterol can bring diabetes, and they need further explanations in our next video as to how can cholesterol build up in the body bring hypertension or diabetes and any other diseases. In fact, the bad cholesterol, it is something that we don't need it, as I've already said. Any plant-based food does not produce any cholesterol. When we eat from plants, it means that we are not going to get any cholesterol. But the moment we ingest, we put in the animal-based food, then we are building much cholesterol in our body system. We want to end here and say that the cholesterol that we have begun with, please let us try to know the two types and then move away from the animal-based foods, so that the bad cholesterol, which is termed scientifically as low density lipoprotein, can be reduced. And when it is reduced in our body, it means that we are going to have wellness, and it will help us to live long, so that we can worship God the manner that God wants us to worship Him. May God bless you, even as you watch and you share it too, and with other people. God bless you. Bye.